In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a nice before and after KPI arrow chart. Now in this chart, I have value in percentage, but in your case, you have actual dollar amount or actual number as well. Consider I have this data sheet. The only thing we need to create a 0% helper column. Even if your data in any other format, you can simply create a 0 series and simply type 000 value. The first thing, I need to select all of my data sheet, click on insert, recommended chart. In this case, I will select stack bar chart and simply hit OK. Now I will move this chart on blank area and we need to increase the width and height of this chart a little bit more. The next thing, I will click before percent series. For a shape fill, we need to select no fill, and for a shape outline, I will select no outline. Now I will click after percent, click on plus button and simply apply error bar on this series. Now more error bar options. In this case, I will select the minus direction and style will be no cap, and for the error amount, I will select percentage and simply assign 100%. Now I will click format. For the error bar line, I will select solid line. I will change the color, let's say this purple color. If you want to increase the width, you can also increase those as well. And here we need to select two options. For the begin arrow type, instead of selecting oval, we need to select arrow since this is in minus direction, and for the end arrow type, I will select the oval shape. Now again I will click on format. We need to select after percent series. For a shape fill, we need to select no fill, and for a shape outline, I will select no outline. Now if I close this window, click outside, this is how my chart look likes. Now in this case, we don't need the chart title. I will simply remove the chart title. We don't need the legend. We don't need the grid line. And also we don't need horizontal x-axis. But I'm going to teach you one more thing. The first thing, click on horizontal x-axis, right click, format x-axis. For the minimum value, we need to simply type minus 0.1. And now click on x-axis value, and here we also need to define minus 0.1, hit enter. Now we don't need horizontal x-axis. I will simply click here and we need to remove horizontal x-axis, click on plus button, and now if I click outside my chart, this is how my chart look likes. Now the only thing left, we need to apply data label. I will click on my chart, plus button, and simply apply data label. Now in this case, it's apply data label on all three series. I will click my first data label, right click, format data label. For the position, I will select inside base. Now on the middle, you can see after series, I will click and hit delete these data label. On the very end, you can see a 0% data label. Click those data label options, expand this one. For the position, we need to select inside base. And now I will click value from cell. In this case, I will select after percentage value. Now simply hit OK, uncheck the value and show leader line. If you want to change the font color, simply apply, let's say, the same purple color. Hit Ctrl B to make it bold. Click on before percent, hit Ctrl B and assign the same color. Now if I click outside my chart, this is how my chart look likes.